how to download and install Edits video editing app on your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download or install Edits video editing app on your mobile phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open the Google Play Store for the Android, and for the iPhone you have to open the App Store. So I'm opening the App Store. Alright, so after you open the App Store, in the search field you'll have to type for Edits. Alright, so after you search in the search field for Edits, you'll be able to find the app Edits. So it's an Instagram app, so simply tap on that, and now from this section you'll have to just tap on this get or install option to install the application on your device. So simply tap on it. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to verify with your Apple ID. Okay, so after you verify with your Apple ID password, you will be able to easily download or install the application Edits on your mobile phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. So now from here you can easily tap on the open option to open this application. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.